Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna start up the vlog with me going out. This was a girls' night out that we just planned, sporadically. So we just wanted to enjoy because it's summer and we just wanted to enjoy being outside, and this was the perfect way to begin summer. So we went to this nice terrace. It's called JD Terrace. It's an outdoor restaurant, and you can just have lunch, dinner, maybe not breakfast on the terrace because it's too hot during early in the mornings. But this is the city, my city, basically very busy at night and very nice. Like the environment was very good, food was good, everything was good, and we got like all you can drink, like anything you want to drink you can drink, and then you got like 10 different meals, and it was like for 4,000 yen is like 40 or 50 US per person. So it was very nice. It was a good opportunity to just sit, talk about work, unwind, and we didn't really dress up per se, but everybody wore dresses, and that wasn't even planned or anything, but it was just a good vibe and just good way to just bond and talk about life and just girls' night kind of vibe. Yeah, and I really enjoyed it. But yeah, I'm gonna let you watch the rest of this portion, and then we're gonna come back to you with the good stuff, okay, what I actually did on Sunday and so forth. But let me just shut up, okay? I'll be right back.
Strawberry and orange juice. Is it good? Really sweet. Sweet. Hi vlog, I'm here again. Yeah, without.
All done.
Let me just get this return.
Oh, hi, Tell. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Shouldn't be this stock broke, shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me, snatch me up quick, let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward, bust down that door, playing all my cards now, cause I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, already did it. With the subs up, you better listen. Coming up, but ain't no competition. Nah, I ain't tripping. Nah, all the boys gotta move into my flow. Now the girls gotta dropping low. Going through the most, cause they ain't afraid to grow. Coast to the coast, I'ma hit your radio. Dreaming about it every day. I know that. Now I'm finally on my way. I know that. I've been on my gun, I've been feeling myself. I do it all for me, man, for nobody else. I'm nothing, I'm looking what I see. Hit different. When a little mama got a big vision. Hit different. Aiming high, baby, I go the distance. I've been putting in work, putting in time, putting me first. Now my whole life hit different. With the bang, ready. Hit different. Ooh, over there was a hot one with the long hair. Looky. Ooh, that's me. Mirror, showing them a bad bitch. And I don't see the girl that I fell. So down and out on the south. For total mind and body globe, down in every cell. Living it up. And I'm going killing it, cause that's just what I do. Dreaming about it every day. I know that. Now I'm finally on my way. I know that. I've been on my gun, I've been feeling myself. I do it all for me, man, for nobody else. I'm nothing, I'm looking what I see. Hit different. When a little mama got a big vision. Hit different. Aiming high, baby, I go the distance. I've been putting in work, putting in time, putting me first. Now my whole life hit different. With the bang, bang. Boom, bang. Boom, bada, boom, bada. Hit different. Boom, bang. Boom, bada, boom, bada. Hit different.
Okay guys, so we are going to quickly take care of the skin. Yes, so we're gonna rinse the face so I can go on the road and quickly get what I need to actually start this little body care routine. I'm just gonna rinse my face, rinse off the excess salicylic acid. I had salicylic acid from last night because of this pimple. I don't know where it came from or what it's doing here, but I want it to be gone. And this is how I do it. And our good old, this is Skin Aqua. I've loved it since the very first day I landed foot in Japan, and I haven't stopped raving about Skin Aqua. This is the skin, and I'm just going to wear my hair like this. Okay guys, so I'm all done, looking nice and fresh. So the next thing I'm going to do is to make some peanut porridge, and I decided that I wanted to make peanut porridge today because that's what I'm feeling for. and I live by myself, so that's one of the good things about living by yourself and living in solitude. You get everything to yourself: time, energy, effort. Anything you want to do, you can do it. And one of the things that I like to do is to not cook a big meal on any particular day. Whatever I feel to cook, I'm gonna cook it. And yeah, but as you can tell, the skin is glowing. Just because, girl. Oops. These plates up here. You get the blender out. So I'm gonna use this pot to basically rinse it out. These are the ingredients. We have this. So basically using raw peanuts. I'm using oatmeal. I'm gonna get some coconut milk, a little bit of sugar to taste. These are the ingredients, and then that's it. So I'm just showing you all of that. And then so this is our peanut. This is the amount of peanut we're going to use. And then this one is coconut milk. It's just cold, guys. Take a little bit more. And then this is my little ghetto. Probably cooked. Take off this. Sugar to taste. Don't want to add too much, just like 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It looks so nice and it smells so good. Okay guys, so the porridge is porridging. We're gonna share it out now. Some raisin to add some, you know. This is our peanut porridge. I present to you peanut porridge, Jamaican style. What's here?
car then, eh? He's up to something. What did you do?
This is wow, this is nice. This is so aesthetically pleasing. This is like a shop. Oh yeah, but it's closed. But it's a little bit cool. Maybe inside it's cool. Maybe my other. Oh gosh. Okay. Kawaii. It's dark and kawaii. Kawaii, ne?